How to install Google Drive on your Surface. Step 1. Visit the Google Drive download page and select Download Drive for desktop. Step 2. Open the setup file when it's finished downloading. Step 3. Select Install on the first screen. This screen also lets you add a shortcut to Drive and other Google apps on your desktop, but you don't have to check those boxes if you don't want to. Step 4. Choose Launch when the installation finishes. Step 5. Select Get Started. Sign in and then sign in to your Google account through the page that opens in your web browser. Step 6. From the Google Drive app, select which folders if you want to sync from your Surface to your online Drive account. Step 7. Click Got it on the prompt about the difference between sync to Google Drive and backup to Google Photos. Step 8. Select Skip if you don't care to backup your photos and videos to Google Photos. Otherwise, pick which folders on your computer you want to backup. Pictures and videos are suggested, but select Add folder if you want to backup the content. Then select Next. Step 9. Select Next a few times and then open Drive to get through the rest of the screen and see your Google Drive folder in a file explorer.